Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the Tonie character not working. New character setup and pairing troubleshooting guide. Fix 1, let the Tonie finish downloading. So place the Tonie character on the Tonie box. Leave it on the box until the download is complete. This can take several minutes to depending on the Wi-Fi connection. Now wait until the Tonie box finish and power off automatically. Now you can wake the Tonie box by squeezing an ear, then place the Tonie back on the box. Fix to check your Wi-Fi connection. So make sure the Tonie box is connected to the Wi-Fi. Now move it closer to the wireless router and then restart your router if the connection is unstable. And try downloading the Tonie again. Step 3. Restart the Tonie. So remove the Tonie from the box. Take the Tonie box off its charging station. Turn it upside down and press and hold both earbuds for about 10 seconds until you hear a sound. Now wait for it to restart, then place the Tonie back on top. Now the fix 4, check the Tonie position. So place the character flat on the center of the Tonie box. Remove and replace it if it's not detected. Make sure nothing is blocking the magnet or contact area. If only one Tonie fails while other works, the character itself may be defective. The fix 5, test another Tonie. If another Tonie works, the original character may be damaged. If no Tonie works, the issue is likely with the Tonie box. Fix 6, check the volume. Sometimes the volume has been turned all the way down. So press the large ear to increase the volume. Now listen for any startup sound when placing the Tonie on the box. The fix 7, factory reset the Tonie box. If resetting does not help, perform a factory reset and turn off the Tonie box. Then follow the official factory reset procedure and set up the Tonie box again using the app. Now reconnect the Wi-Fi and test the Tonie. Goodbye and thanks for watching.